Big explorer walking around.
This is a really nice office for her to play in.
Mm-hmm.
I think that was that little boy's, honey.
Bring it over. I'll give it back to him. You can play with it. Good girl, big walking over.
What did you find?
In like 3 days, Autumn Lily has learned to walk completely and pick up and carry things while walking. She'll walk over to something, bend down, pick it up, and walk back over with it. Big skills.
Come here, baby. Can I see that?
Little toddler.
I love you. Yeah. Thank you. Can we roll it? Come here. The truck so it goes.
Go get it? Oh. Yay.
Good job.
Good girl.